subscribers, do you ever hear people say Jamaica is not a real place? Well, I'm starting thinking right now it's not a real place for real. Now, I mean, alright, it says to be this is a Breinks truck that have an accident and on fire. Now, I mean, well, in this moment, it wasn't really about the Breinks truck. People gathered around, people was looking and everything. But there's this one guy on his motorbike. I don't understand what's wrong with him. I don't know if it's just because a lot of people is there, he want to ride hard, or he want to just show off on his bike or something. I didn't understand why he have to ride like that. Anyway, still, he start riding hard, giving speed. You know what I mean? And you're gonna see what happened to him. You know what I mean? Check out the video. If you're new here on this channel, please don't forget, consider subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the content. Welcome to Kirkwork TV. My name is DJ Kirkwork. God bless, kid. Bless.
Wait there. It's like go straight up there, so. Lord have mercy, so people fool. Jesus. I leave here done. Lord have mercy, I come and everybody see now.
Wait there.
Well, I think it's not a real place for real. And I mean, Jamaica is like Mars.
Kirkwork TV.